Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix a broken zipper on your Sprayground backpack. We'll start by identifying the most common issues, like a slider that won't move or teeth that refuse to interlock. Then, we'll gather a few simple tools, such as needle nose pliers, a graphite pencil, and maybe a new zipper slider. Understanding the specific problem is the first crucial step to a successful repair, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. A stuck zipper can be frustrating, but often it's an easy fix. First, grab a graphite pencil or a bar of soap and rub it generously along the zipper teeth, both above and below the stuck slider. This acts as a lubricant, reducing friction. Then gently try to wiggle the slider back and forth, applying light pressure. Remember, patience is key. Avoid yanking or forcing it, as this could bend the teeth or break the slider entirely. Take your time. If your zipper slider is broken or has come off completely, replacing it is often the best solution. Begin by using needle nose pliers to carefully remove the metal stop at the top or bottom of the zipper track. Once the stop is off, you can easily slide the old, damaged slider right off. Now, thread your new, correctly sized slider onto the teeth, ensuring it's facing the right direction. Finally, crimp a new zipper stop securely in place with your pliers to prevent the slider from coming off again. It's a straightforward process. Sometimes the problem isn't the slider, but the teeth themselves. If you have bent teeth, carefully use needle nose pliers to gently straighten them back into alignment. For missing teeth, a full zipper replacement might be necessary, or you could sew a small patch of new zipper tape in. If a top or bottom stop is missing, simply crimp a new metal stop onto the end of the zipper tape with your pliers. Always double-check that all repairs are secure to ensure your backpack zipper functions perfectly for many adventures to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.